Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Exodus wallet. First, you'll need to download the Exodus application from their official website, ensuring you get the correct version for your device. Once installed, open the app and create a strong, unique password to protect your funds. This password is crucial for daily access. Immediately after, Exodus will provide you with a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a safe, private location. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Now that your wallet is set up, let's talk about funding it. To receive cryptocurrency, simply navigate to the asset you wish to receive within Exodus. You'll find a unique wallet address there. Copy this address precisely. Even a single incorrect character can result in lost funds. Then, paste this address into the sending field of your external exchange or another wallet. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Exodus supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it easy to manage diverse portfolios. Exodus also offers a convenient built-in exchange feature, allowing you to swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within the wallet. This saves you the hassle of transferring funds to an external exchange. Simply select the assets you want to exchange and confirm the transaction. For enhanced security, consider enabling any available two-factor authentication options. And remember, your 12-word recovery phrase is paramount. Keep it updated and stored securely offline, perhaps in a fireproof safe, to protect against unforeseen circumstances. Beyond the basics, Exodus offers several advanced features. You can track your portfolio's performance with detailed charts and customize transaction fees for faster or cheaper transfers. For maximum security, Exodus integrates seamlessly with popular hardware wallets, allowing you to move your assets into cold storage. This provides an extra layer of protection against online threats. Also, for a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Keep your crypto safe and your home clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.